Hello everyone, so welcome to our video lesson once again. So, mataas po ang mga araw na wala tayo dahil po meron tayong ibang ginagawa pong mas importante po. More important than this po. Anyway, binabalikan po talaga natin ito. So, we'll have now the module 4 of quarter 4. Are you ready? Okay, let's start our lesson with the what I know portion. So, ipa-flash ko lang itong mga answers sa what I know. Paki-pause na lang ng video para po ma-focus yung answers. Kasi dalawang parts itong module 4. Kailangan natin talagang makover in one video lesson. Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa what I know portion. So, basically, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo agad-agad ang topic, no? Or ang main idea later on. Okay, so basically, itong lesson na to, it talks about which warms up faster. So basically, yung land warms up faster and it will also cools down faster. The water, on the other hand, it will warm up and cools down slowly. Yung sand or the land warms and cools down faster. And when air is heated, it will rise. Warm air rises. That's the main point of this topic. So, why does heated air move upward? Kasi nagiging less dense yung heated air. Kaya po siya nag-rise. And its molecules gain enough energy to move around faster and spread out. So, yun nga, it will become less dense than the surrounding air molecules, yung heated air. So, when warm air rises above, the cold and denser air below will replace the rising warm air, replace the area where the air rises. Is the surrounding air affected by the rising air? Yes, it will be affected. So, yung air pressure sa rising warm air is low yun. Low air pressure is associated with rising air as air particles have leave the surface. So, magiging low pressure yung area sa rising warm air. And we have what is convection. It is heat transfer by the movement of heated fluid like air. So, hindi lang water, convection can also occur to any fluid. Air is another example. Alright, so dito na tayo sa what have I learned or what I have learned. The warm air rises. The movement of surrounding air is affected by the rising warm air. The air expands when it is heated. The warm air is less dense than cold air. The direction of air from an area of high pressure to low pressure. So, yan ang direction ng air. So, what I can do, kayo na lang bahala dyan. Assessment. Okay, ipa-flash ko rin ang assessment answers. Anyway, naka-enlarge po itong window natin. So, klarong-klaro talaga dyan. Sa additional activities naman, yan po ang ating answers. Sa part 2 na tayo, what I know portion. Part 2 na to ha. So, again, paki-pause lang ng video natin, mga bata. So, this part 2 focuses on the breezes, monsoon, and intertropical convergence zone. So, sa part 1, yung mga concepts, mga terms na ginagamit doon ay ina-apply dito sa part na to. So, kailan mangyayari ang sea breeze? So, it occurs during daytime. So, during daytime, land heats up faster than water. So, what happened to the land if it is heated na. So, warm air na ang nasa ibabaw niya. So, what happened to warm air? Warm air rises. So, what happened is, air blows in from the sea to replace the rising warm air. So, yung air sa may sea, magpupunta siya sa land. Kaya po, ang tawag dyan is sea breeze. During nighttime naman, okay, during nighttime, land cools down faster. Land cools down faster than the sea or the water. So, what happened is, medyo warm air pa ang nasa sea, above the sea. So, as we know, warm air rises. So, kapag nag-rise na yung warm air coming from the land, which is very cold this time, which is colder this time, it will blow towards the sea to replace the rising warm air. So, kasi nanggaling siya sa land, ang tawag natin, land breeze. So, land breeze, nangyayari siya during nighttime. So, yung land and sea breeze, they are local winds. Kapag mangyayari na siya sa large region, ang tawag na dyan is monsoons. So, monsoons is referred to wind system. Hindi po siya rain. Okay? Monsoons are wind system. So, it could be amihan, or northeast monsoon, or what we call habagat or southwest monsoon. Kaya po siya, ang monsoon is associated with rain kasi magpapass through siya sa mga bodies of water, magdadala siya ng mga moisture, and it will force huge volume of rainfall sa mga area na pupuntahan niya. So, maraming uses itong monsoons, ang ating wind system. Kasi, ang mga farmers natin, ang kailangan ng rains para po sa kanilang plants, para po makaharvest sila. On the other hand, yung mga fishermen, kailangan din po nila ng ito, ma-affected sila in a negative way kasi po hindi sila pwedeng papalaot. Baka po kasi maka-encounter sila ng hindi magandang pangyayari sa laot. Okay, anyway. And we have ITZZ. So, it stands for Intertropical Convergence Zone. So, it is a band of clouds consisting of showers with occasional thunderstorms that encircles the globe near the equator. So, magka-converge po, mag-meet sa may equatorial portion ang warmer air ang air coming from the north and the south poles. So, kasi ang air in the equatorial portion is, it will rise kasi nga warm doon. So, we know that warm air rises. Ang mangyayari, yung malalamig na cooler air coming from the north and south poles will be drawn towards the equator to replace the rising warm air. So, ang mangyayari po, ITCZ, the convergence zone. Okay, so, ang magkakaroon ng thunderstorms kapag usually magkakaroon ng thunderstorms kapag meron itong ITCZ, biglaang pag-ulan, kasi hindi na ma-hold yung vapor pressure. It will condense, it will form into rain. Alright, so, anyway, what I have learned, paki-pause na lang itong video. The wind always blows from an area with high pressure to an area with low pressure. Land breeze is the movement of air from land towards sea, while sea breeze is from sea towards land. Northeast monsoon is also known as hanging amihan. Northeast monsoon or hanging amihan is characterized with slight to moderate rainfall in the Philippines during the months of December to February. Then, the movement of wind in our environment is caused by unequal temperature of air between land and water. What I can do, kayo na pong bahala dyan. Meron tayong rubrics for scoring. And sa assessment natin, alright, paki-pause na lang sa video para makafocus kayo yung answers. Okay, and sa additional activities, kayo na naman po ang magkagawa nito. Anyway, just follow the instruction and also the rubric for scoring. So that ends our video lesson, and see you sa next module natin na video lesson. Bye-bye!